Most people think discipline collapses because of big failures. The truth, it's the small, everyday habits that quietly drain your strength until nothing's left. Psychology calls them invisible traps. Stoics called them weakness. If you recognize these 6 habits, you'll see exactly why your focus slips and how to rebuild it with Stoic clarity. Habit number 1. Constant distraction. Every time you check your phone, your brain bleeds focus. Psychology calls this attention residue, the leftover clutter from switching tasks. Stoics warn that scattered focus is the death of discipline. Imagine trying to read Marcus Aurelius while notifications buzz every minute. You wouldn't absorb a single line. The fix. Single tasky. Choose one thing, finish it, then move on. If you can't control your attention, you can't control your life. Habit number 2. Avoiding discomfort. Comfort feels safe, but it makes you fragile. Psychology calls this avoidance coping. Stoics practiced voluntary discomfort, cold showers, fasting, silence, to build resilience before chaos arrived. If you avoid pain, pain owns you. Discipline grows when you step into discomfort willingly, not when you run from it. Habit number 3. Reacting instantly. Impulse feels natural, but every instant reaction erodes control. Psychology calls this low emotional regulation. Stoics paused before responding, choosing clarity over impulse. That pause is power. Without it, you're just a puppet of emotion. The next time anger rises, wait. That silence is the difference between weakness and discipline. Habit number 4. Chasing approval. Likes, praise, applause. They feel good, but they enslave you. Psychology calls this extrinsic motivation. Stoics measured success by virtue, not validation. If you chase approval, you'll never own discipline. True strength comes when your actions are guided by values, not by applause. Habit number 5. Neglecting reflection. Skipping journaling or self-review leaves mistakes unexamined. Psychology calls this lack of metacognition. Stoics sharpened discipline by analyzing choices daily. If you don't reflect, you repeat. A few minutes of honest reflection each night can turn weakness into wisdom. Habit number 6. Ignoring preparation. Most people live unprepared. They collapse when setbacks arrive. Psychology calls this poor coping strategy. Stoics practiced negative visualization, rehearsing loss before it happened. If you prepare for chaos, chaos can't break you. Discipline isn't about avoiding storms. It's about training to stand firm when they hit. Weak discipline isn't laziness. It's blindness to these habits. Each one drains strength quietly until you wonder why you feel fragile. Stoic philosophy offers fixes for all of them. Replace distraction with clarity. Replace comfort with resilience. Replace impulse with control. Discipline is freedom, and freedom is power. Subscribe to Planless Wisdom, because Stoic discipline is your armor.